Hi friends, how are you? Hope you are fine. I am back with a new video, so let's begin. The mind can have a powerful influence on the body, and in some cases can even help the body to heal. The mind can even sometimes trick you into believing that a fake treatment has a real therapeutic result, a phenomena that is known as a placebo effect. So what is the placebo effect? Placebo means I shall please. The placebo effect is defined as a phenomena in which some people experience a benefit after the administration of an inactive lookalike substance or treatment. This substance or placebo has no medical effect. Sometimes the placebo is in the form of a sugar pill, but it can also be injected. The question is, why do people experience real changes as a result of the fake treatments? The expectations of the patient can play a significant role in the placebo effect. The more a person expects the treatment to work, the more likely they exhibit to a placebo response. In most cases, the person doesn't know what the treatment they are receiving is actually a placebo or a fake drug. Instead, they believe they are the recipient of the real treatment. The placebo is designed to seem exactly like the real treatment, whether it is a pill, injection, or a consumable liquid. The first person to recognize and demonstrate the placebo effect was English physician John Haggard in 1799. He tested a popular medical treatment of his time called Perkins tractor, which were metal pointers supposedly able to draw out diseases. How placebos are used in the medical research. In medical research, some people in study may be given a placebo while others get the new treatment being tested. The purpose of doing this is to determine the effectiveness of the new treatment. If participants taking the actual drug demonstrate a significant improvement over those taking the placebo, the study can help support the claim for the drug effectiveness. One study found that codes for higher levels of the brain chemical dopamine are more prone to placebo effects than those with a low dopamine version. Dopamine is a hormone and a neurotransmitter that plays several important roles in the brain and the body. One review of multiple studies found that even the color of pills made a difference to the placebo results. Red, yellow and orange are associated with the stimulant effect, while blue and green are related to the calming effect. Nocebo effect. Nocebo means to harm. The nocebo effect is the opposite of the placebo effect. It describes a situation where a negative outcome occurs due to the negative belief of the patient that the intervention will cause harm. So friends, this was today's video. I will be back with more interesting informative videos. Till then, take care and bye.